In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Diablo 4 on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Diablo is available on many different platforms, including PlayStation consoles. If you want to play Diablo 4 on a PlayStation 5, you will have to acquire the game from the Play Store. You can do so by going to the website, as I'm going to be demonstrating here, through a web browser on your computer or laptop, or if you prefer, you can access the PlayStation Store directly on your console. When you go into the PlayStation Store, use the search function and look for Diablo 4 or Diablo IV, and you will find it here. So it is available for both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. When you select a game, you will be able to purchase it. So usually it goes for $49.99. Right now, during the time that I'm recording this video, it is on sale until the 9th of October for $22.49. So all that you have to do is add the game to your cart and purchase it. The reviews at the moment are not the best, so it is at 3.74 stars, and you can find it here. By default, you will be purchasing the base game, but if you prefer, you can also purchase the expansion bundle, which is going to include this DLC, Vessel of Hatred. If you prefer, you can buy only the base game and then just purchase it separately later. You can also find the options to buy the Deluxe Edition and the Ultimate Edition, which is going to include a bunch of extra goodies. So find the one that is the best value for you. And to finish this off, you will see Platinum bonuses available here as microtransactions. As long as you purchase the base game through the PlayStation Store, you will be able to play it on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.